Hi, my name is Frank Wessling. I'm the Senior Account Specialist with YKK Zippers, and I'm here at the Outdoor Retailer Show in Salt Lake City. I'm here to present to you the Revive Replacement Puller for Racquet Coil Zippers. The Revive Replacement Puller for Racquet Coil Zipper is a unique puller that is detachable and replaceable at the consumer level. In the unlikely event your puller is either damaged or missing upon pickup at the baggage claim carousel, you can take a replacement puller, simply slide it into the grooves here, follow the inset of the puller itself, and it will lock into place very simply at the consumer level. For more information on the Revive Replacement Puller for RC Zippers, please contact your account representative at YKK and check out the digital showroom for more information. Thank you.